My video guide will help you to get rid of m.startbrowser.co redirections from your browser. m.startbrowser.co is an alternative search engine that might unexpectedly show up on your screen. If your internet search results are displayed by m.startbrowser.co, then there might be an unwanted extension installed on your browser. m.startbrowser.co is an alternative search engine. It accepts search queries and displays relevant results, same as Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and so on. Well, not quite the same. Mainstream search engines like Google show rich results, many different result types, offer tools to filter the results, and show relatively modest ads. On the other hand, m.startbrowser.co has almost no tools or results types to offer. It's as basic as it gets. In addition, m.startbrowser.co shows some pretty big ads, including those for shady websites and so on. So we recommend you to treat it with caution, and if you have noticed that somehow your browser has been affected by m.startbrowser.co, first thing you can do is to research your available browser extensions. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Disable and delete any suspicious extensions you find here. Similarly, if you have such a problem in Firefox, go to the menu, click on Add-ons and Themes, and disable any third-party add-ons that could be related to this particular startbrowser.co. I would also recommend you to additionally examine your computer with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. It will assist you in detecting other possible modifications into the way your browser operates. Combo Cleaner will also help you to detect and delete more serious threats that could be the part of your computer. So go to the page combocleaner.com to download the fresh version of the software and click on Start Combo Scan. The application will help you to detect those threads that cannot be visually discovered. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.